Alright, what's going on, guys? This is your boy the Vintage Man back at another video, and today I know you're reading the title and you're probably like, what in the hell is the Vintage talking about? And I think a lot of people know what's going on. You know, a guy named Trollmageddon dropped a video talking about urban necessities, and he pretty much took some fake shoes and he went into the urban necessities and he got them legit checked, and like 3 of them passed and 1 of them did not pass at all, and there was only a little bit of differences between the real and the fake pair that they had in the store. So we about to talk about that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Make sure you ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, and check out the early review over the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Fearless that will be dropping tomorrow. Let me know if you hit. I know they was not on any Foot Locker app, maybe a Foot Action app, but just let me know, are you going after these? Did you secure a pair already? And let me know how you feeling about these Air Jordan 1 Zoom Fearless, man. Also, I did an early review like 2-3 weeks ago over these Air Jordan 4 winners, man. Very dope shoe. You know, they're calling it the poor man M&Ms, but these right here sets itself off by itself. This is something I can see sitting on the shelf, but that doesn't take away the fact that the shoe cool to add into your sneaker collection, man. Also, make sure you follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World, man. Link will be in the description box below. As always, you guys already know what we do over here, and with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this video talking about these fake sneakers, man. Let's get it. All right, so as you guys know, I shop with StockX, I shop with GOAT, I shop with a lot of those little apps and stuff like that. They say they legit check their shoes, they verify the shoes. Pretty much just a middleman in the whole process of you buying a shoe from somebody else. They just legit check the shoe, whoever the seller is, and they send it to the buyer, man. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I shop with StockX, I shop with GOAT heavy when I was over in Germany, and all of them passed authentication. None of them failed. None of them said they was fake. And after watching the video that I feel like everybody around the whole sneaker community needs to watch, because it plays a major role in the stuff that's going around in the sneaker community. If I can find that video link, I will link it in the description box below, just so you guys can go check it out, see what really was going on. I don't want to like spill the beans. I want you guys to go watch his video, support his channel, and pretty much just see what happened, because it's very mind-blowing. It's crazy. I cannot believe it happened. But like I said, none of my shoes fail authentication. And as y'all know, I didn't cop like 8 pair of Yeezys. I probably copped like 10 pairs of Jordans from StockX and GOAT. And after watching that video, and after they like authenticated those shoes that look pretty much real, because it's kind of hard to tell fakes from real these days. You gotta really know your stuff. And man, just looking at the video, they didn't even really check that good. I could just imagine they had somebody in there actually trying to get them legit checked, rather than somebody that's behind the closed doors, behind the scenes, like StockX should go. And I wonder, are they really legit checking the shoes, or if they just looking at them, smelling them, make sure it's no bad smell, make sure, you know what I'm saying, the little stuff is legit, you know what I'm saying, and they're just passing it through. There's been multiple times I bought a shoe on GOAT and on StockX and authentication passed like that. And I'm not for sure if, you know what I'm saying, they actually like click a button when the shoe passes authentication, or they just do it as soon as they're done with the whole process. I don't know. I'm just saying that it's very fast between the time they get it and receive it and the time that it's authenticated. And I really want to know what is going on with the authentication process, because I don't want no fake shoes. And that had me thinking, that's why I titled the video this, how many fake shoes do you have in your collection? You probably don't know, because after watching that video, like I said, I'm definitely gonna find that link for you guys so you can go check it out. That thing will have you going crazy. You probably be like, damn, I just bought these shoes from StockX, I just bought these shoes from any sneaker like reseller stores, you know what I'm saying? Like Urban Necessities is the main one that's being brought up with this whole situation, but it's other stores, you know what I'm saying? Even with the Sean Weatherspoon situation in StockX, when he was going at it, when I posted that video, people was like, oh, you just bashing them, you just believe in anything. But after you actually see this man go into the store, take in 4 pair of fake shoes, and they verified, it really catches you off guard, and it has you thinking, like, how many fake shoes have you bought that you don't even know if they're real or not, because the fakes are so close to the reals these days. And I don't want to contradict myself or make me sound like I'm for the video or for StockX or anything like that. I'm just want to put that up in the air for you guys to give me some of your thoughts and opinions on what do you think is really happening behind closed doors with StockX, GOAT, like I said, Urban Necessities, all these different apps, even Flight Club, you know what I'm saying? How are they actually legit checking their shoes if the fake shoes look exactly like the real pair? It's crazy. It's really messing with my mind. Me and Tops was watching the video like together last night. We was on the phone talking about it, and I was like, man, this is so crazy. I can't believe it. And all the slack and all the controversy I got on that StockX sold me fake video, it's kind of coming to light now, because what is really happening behind closed doors. If a person is going to you trying to get a shoe legit checked and they're fake, and you know they're fake, and they tell you that they're real. And another thing I wanted to point out why I wasn't going straight on his side of things, because you never know. People try to bash companies and do stuff like that. I'm not saying he's bashing the company. I'm not saying anything like that. But you don't know if that shoe is actually fake. You don't know if it's actually real. You never know these days. You know what I'm saying? So maybe that's some more evidence that will come up on his channel later. But I feel like it was a dope idea what he did, especially with that fake pair of Yeezys. The shoe looked damn near identical. That was a good look for you, bro. And I'm glad you brought that video up. I actually heard about the video a long time ago. It was supposed to drop and everybody was waiting, everybody was anticipating it, and then I went to go watch it. And he had like 300-400 people watching the thing while he was premiering it, man. So shouts out to you. That's a good start to your channel. And now that got me here making videos talking about how many fakes do you have in your collection. Me personally, if you want to keep it 100, like I don't know how many fake pairs I have now, because I got most of my shoes that I took an L on, I go to StockX or I go to GOAT. I never bought shoes from like a person on like a Facebook group or anything like that in the past that I can remember. But most of them come from StockX and GOAT. So I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared. So right now all my shoes are real, and kind of makes me want to go get most of my shoes legit checked from StockX, because I don't know, like, are they really taking their time? How are they legit checking it? Just because you get one fake from this company don't mean the other fake looks exactly like that fake. It's just a whole bunch going on, and it's just a lot to process. I can talk about this all day, but I'm gonna leave this conversation up to you guys. You guys let me know, what do you think about the whole Urban Necessities thing? Like I said, I'm gonna try to link his video in the description box below, but if you do not find it in the description box below, just search Trollmageddon and go check out his video. The anticipation was real leading up to this shoe getting, you know what I'm saying, authenticated or not authenticated. Man, that was a dope video in my opinion. So shout out to you, bro. Like I said, y'all go check it out and let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this whole StockX, this whole middleman service that they have going on around the sneaker community. And even at SneakerCon, all these sneaker events, people are legit checking shoes. How they know, and what are they comparing the shoe to, and how they know which pair is real, when even the shoes coming straight from the factory have major factory flaws as well. So it's a lot. I'm done. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. We're on the ground at 25K. Help your boy out. Subscribe, share the channel, anything you can to support the channel. And also I have a shoe sale. Most of my shoes are going to be gone. Go check out the link in the description box below. I will have my link to where all my shoes are on my website. You can go get you a pair, all of them for the low. If you want to get some shoes for your little brother, your sons, or anything like that, they're for the low, man. I'm giving you guys steals for this upcoming Christmas. Go check out the website, go get you some steals. And like I said, let me know in the comment section below what you think about these fake sneakers going around the sneaker community, man. Appreciate all of support. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.